The District Transport Officer, East Jaintia Hills District, Ram Hinch, yesterday released the ambulance for the Nangba Youth Awakening Movement NYAM, which was sponsored by the Star Cement Lom Chnong. Speaking as the chief guest, Ram Hinch urged upon citizens to be responsible with the use and function of the ambulance, for it will be of great help for the public and the village. The function was held at Nangba in the presence of the local headman, Tonroy Yongwai, Dr. P. Shilla in charge Joai Blood Bank, MDC Lakhon Biam, among others. The NYAM and IJIM ABDO Catholic Youth Mintu also held a blood donation drive for the Blood Center Civil Hospital Joai at Dorbar Hall, Mukois Aim, Nangba.
And they welcome the government security kepada engineering function ini. Memang jadi security yang uruskan security benda. Kata saya, mengenai security yang jadi mana cuma melihat dia bersabit. Tapi bagian kandu, ada mudi orang bulan kami bersabit. Uruskan bulan ini, orang bulan cuma kami bersabit semua.
The women